Okay kids, welcome back to the shop. Today we're working on my angle grinder. I tried to use it today and it stopped working. Alright, let's tear it apart, see what's going on. A word of advice. You should check the power cord before you tear anything apart. Things are looking pretty good here. The armature's good, the commutator's good, the windings look good. I'm going to tear apart this back cover to take a look at the brushes. The brushes look good, and the end of this cord looks pretty good. Nothing obvious about this switch. Everything here looks pretty good. Alright, let's check some power with the meter. I know you guys can't see it, but I'm not getting power. I removed the cord from the grinder and checked for power again. It shouldn't matter, but I'm doing it. And I got nothing.
Yeah, look, it's broke. Dumbass. I wonder if this is it. It tore it apart for nothing. This cord's bad. Alright. Let's put a new plug on this thing and put it back together. Hopefully I didn't destroy it. And hopefully I can get it back together.
I hooked the cord back up to the grinder. I cut off the old end, stripped the wire. I bought a new end from Amazon, my favorite place. I installed the new plug. Sorry I didn't zoom in, but you guys seen me do this a million times. Remember, black is hot, white is not. I checked for power, and there we have it, 120 volts. Now I start the assembly process. This will go real easy. Now here's the hard part. You have to make sure that the brushes line up with the commutator. This is a fiddly process. Take your time and don't mess anything up. Don't destroy the brushes. Alright, everything looks good. Things are moving freely. Let's get that back cover put on. I know it's hard for you guys to see, but there's a few little tiny pieces in here that you just have to get right. So pay attention when you tear this apart and make sure you get it put back together correctly. Take your time and everything will go well. Now remember what I said in the beginning of the video. Always check the power cord first.
Alright, let's hope for the best. There you go. Another successful resurrection from the underground.
there you go. Remember, if I can fix it, you can fix it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.